AI is about to replace jobs, but here's the truth. The people who use AI will get rich. What's up, guys? Welcome to Auto Tech Mind. Right now in the US, AI agents are the biggest opportunity.
So what is an AI agent? It's basically an AI that works for you automatically. It can write, reply, create. In 2026, this is trending like crazy in the US. Companies are replacing manual work with AI. AI freelancing. Use AI to create content, designs, scripts, and sell it on platforms like Fiverr. Second, automation business. Set up AI systems for clients and charge monthly. YouTube automation. Use AI for script, voice, video, and build a channel without showing your face.
I saw a guy start with zero experience. He used AI tools, and within months, he was making $2,000 per month.
But here's the truth. If you ignore this, you'll fall behind. Because AI is not coming. It's already here. If you want to stay ahead, start using AI today. Like, subscribe, and comment AI if you're ready.